Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to send Chainlink from Robinhood to Bitrue in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know how important it is to move your assets between platforms for better trading opportunities or security. This step-by-step guide will make the process easy and stress-free, so let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Robinhood and Bitrue. Start by logging into your Robinhood app or website. Once you're in, navigate to your portfolio and find your Chainlink holdings. It's usually under the cryptocurrencies section. Double-check the amount you want to transfer to avoid any surprises. Next, initiate a withdrawal from Robinhood. Look for the Withdraw or Transfer option next to your Chainlink balance. Robinhood might ask you to confirm your identity or enable two-factor authentication for security. Always a good idea in the crypto world. Now, you'll need the Bitrue wallet address. Head over to your Bitrue account, go to the wallet section, and copy the Chainlink deposit address. Pro tip: make sure it's the correct network, like Ethereum for Chainlink, to prevent any lost funds. Back on Robinhood, paste that Bitrue address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount you want to send, review the transaction details, and hit confirm. You'll probably see a confirmation email or in-app notification. Keep an eye on transaction fees. They can vary, so this might cost you a bit, but it's worth it for the flexibility. Once the transfer is initiated, it could take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour or more, depending on network congestion in 2025. While you wait, check your Bitrue account to ensure the funds arrive safely. If anything goes wrong, like an incorrect address, contact support immediately. Crypto transfers are irreversible. And there you have it, folks. You've successfully moved your Chainlink from Robinhood to Bitrue. This simple process opens up new possibilities for your investments. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more crypto tutorials, and drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.